back to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you are not, hey girl, what's up? Long time no see. Okay, so for today's video, I'm just going to be doing this on-the-go look. It's very simple, very easy. If you're like me, I just cannot use a few products and call it a day. Either it's a full face or it's a no face. So this is what I'll give y'all, full face, but very just simple, nothing too dramatic, nothing like that. Before we do get started, if you are new, please subscribe to my channel, because why not? Why not? No, just kidding. Please subscribe. And yeah, without further ado, to get this look, just keep watching. So I went ahead and did my brows off camera. So we're gonna get right into this look. This is such a basic look, on the go look, like it's nothing extra. So let's get into it. Okay, so first I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my e.l.f. concealer. This is the concealer that I always use. And what I'm going to do is just apply it to my lid. And this is literally, like, y'all are gonna see, this is all I'm gonna do, just apply a generous amount. Take my big blending brush, and I know it's a little dirty, but I wash it like 2 to 3 times a week. So just blend that out on my lid. And it should look like this. For me, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with another layer, because on camera for some reason it looks like it's like all good and looks like it's full coverage, but really it's not. So I'm going with another layer just so it can be super full coverage and just to my liking. So now I'm going to actually go in with my Fit Me powder that I use for like under my eyes. I'm not going to go in with my Airspun powder this time, just my Fit Me. And I'm going to set my eyelids. Okay, so I'm done setting. As y'all can see, it's like very just skin-like. There's no creasing or anything. This is the only thing that I do if I'm just going out every day. I don't do any eyeshadow. If I want to wear makeup and I want to do a full face, girl, all I do is this and call it a day. And so now I'm gonna add some mascara on my eyelashes, because yes, I am going to actually put on lashes. That's all I do for my eyes. And if you want, you can just wear a mascara, but as you can see, I have no eyelashes. I have no eyelashes. So what I'm going to do is pick between which eyelash to wear. Girl, they're the same eyelash. I picked up the well, never mind. To wear these are from my local beauty supply store, Miss 3D Volume Lash. The only lashes that I wear, promise y'all, only lashes that I wear. And I'm going to just go ahead and apply these. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put these away and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I'm back and I got my eyelashes on, I forgot to show the eyelash glue that I use. It is Salon Pro 30 Super Hair Bond Glue. And I've always used my eyelashes. Okay, so now I'm going to actually go in with this eyeliner. This eyeliner, it's this tattoo liner by Kat Von D. Pretty sure. I don't do wing eyeliners. I've never did that. It has never looked good on me and I never will do it. So what I'm gonna do is just line where I put my lashes and just in there. So yeah. So I accidentally on this side made my eyeliner thicker, so I had to go back on this side to make it thicker, but it's okay. So now onto the face. Now that I did that, I'm just gonna do my simple face routine that I always do, my simple foundation routine that I always do. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my foundation. This is the L'Oreal Infallible foundation, and I'm just gonna use my big beauty blender. And trust me, right now my eyes look super light and it looks like a hot mess, but when my makeup comes together, I promise you, my eyebrows will look all together. Just right now, it's like a hot mess. Literally, y'all, I look so crazy. I look crazy as I don't know what. Okay, now we're about to go back in with my e.l.f. concealer. Okay, so I kind of forgot that this is a on the go be, not like a full face. I did not mean to put this much concealer under my eyes. I was just going. I was thinking of something. I was just going. So you don't got to put this much. Honestly, just one swoop will be good. Trust me. I don't know what was going on in my hair. So actually, I'm going to go in. I'm sorry that all my products are dirty. It's all in my little drawer and powder gets all on them. But I'm gonna go ahead and contour it. And the thing about this look, I'm just going to just do a little small contour. Nothing too big. And just the same thing that I do up here. And blend. Now it's time to blend. Okay, so now that I'm back to my regular face color and I kind of starting to get, you know, starting to look all put together, I'm going with my other concealer. This is the other concealer in medium beige. This is also in medium beige, but this is the hydrating camo concealer and this is just the regular camo concealer. So all I'm going to do with this is just a highlighting, because I love like an under eye highlight. And I really just put it under my eyes just for that extra lighting. And that's it. I'm gonna put that away. Okay, so next, after I blend that, I'm actually gonna go ahead and set. Y'all know I set up my Fit Me powder. I'm pretty sure it's in the color shade 20. Baby. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend out one more good time. And then I'm going to set. Okay, so I'm all set, powder everywhere. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my True Complexion palette, my favorite contour palette ever. Only palette that I use to set my contour. And I'm going to go in and I'm just going to go ham. I said it in my last video, it's kind of lame. I'm going to just go in and go crazy, so. And sometimes I feel like I went a little light on my eyes. So what I do, my brush looks crazy. I go in with my contour brush and I just put down my eyelash and I just kind of go up here just a little bit so it can like look. Oh yes, ma'am. Look how like that already fixed. Okay, and so we're gonna go in on the other eye. Just a little bit. That's it. Nothing extra, just a little bit, so I won't look so like washed out. So now after I contour, as y'all can see, like it looks literally crazy. Actually, let me go in and contour my nose real quick. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. I had to contour my nose, but so my contour is looking very, very crazy. So what I'm going to do, I like to go in with like my blending brush. Go in with my blending brush and I just kind of like just blend everything together, kind of like even things out because I did go really crazy this time. Ooh. After quarantine, I'm gonna go get my mustache shaved. I promise. Cause baby is seeping through. Okay. So now that that is all blended out, I will be now going in with my blush, same blush. And I don't know, but when I'm out, I love to look like just blushed up. Like I'm in love with blush. I can literally go ham with my blush. Dang, I didn't stop saying go ham. That is not cute. Where did I get that? But yeah, I'm gonna just apply my blush. Smell and apply. And this blush looks super like on there because of this lighting. Like the blush is all there. What I like to do, I'm going to work on my eyebrows. They tend to just look super crazy. So I'm gonna just try to make them look not so crazy and I'm gonna come back. Okay, so I kind of tried to clean them up. I don't really know if I did or not, but So now I'm going in with my water. This is what I use to set my face and bring it all together. So I'm about to do that. To use this brush right here that I used to blend, I'm gonna go ahead and like blend in the water because it's gonna take forever to dry. So I'm gonna just go ahead and kind of, it's like a dry off. I'm gonna dry it off myself, or we're gonna be here all night. So next I'll be taking my fan brush and I'm gonna be using the highlight that is in this palette that is like amazing, while my face is still just a little wet, so my highlight can really bling, you know. Last thing I like to do for my full face, I like to go in with my eyeliner under my eyes. This just, like, it's so weird. Like, eyeliner really does kind of put everything together. So that's what I'm about to do. I don't know if y'all see, but that just put everything in place. Right there, put everything in place. So actually I'm about to go back with my mascara, do the little lashes that I have. Okay, so now that I'm done with my eyeliner, now I'm gonna go into my lips. I'm going to show y'all all the products that I use for my lips real quick. These are all the products that I use. I use this for my eyebrows as well, but it's an eyeliner pencil, so it's about to be used for everything really. And then these three, so I'm just going to apply. I'm not really gonna like break it down how I do it, but y'all would just see. Alright, so this is the final look. I'm gonna just go put on some clothes so like the look can all come together. So yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back and this is the final look. I just put on a little shirt or whatever. But yeah, this is the final look. I'm loving it, honestly. This is just something that I do on the go, not real extra, and I love it. So I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that. Tell me what y'all think. Leave your opinion in the comments down below. Trust me, I would love to know. Yeah. So thank y'all for watching again, and until next time, bye.